in my own way. You came to me with endless grace. In my weakness, worn and afraid, your love reached down and made a way. I bring my heart before your throne. You are my peace, my only home. All I am, I give to you. Jesus, you have made me new. You took my fear and washed it clean, healed every hurt inside of me. No other love could pull me near. In your presence